One of the biggest shifts happening in the cannabis industry in recent years is this: you don't have to smoke it anymore. Hi, I'm Tori with High North Dispensary, and for a lot of people, smoke-free is actually the preference. There's no smell, there's no coughing, there's no inhaling anything at all. Just a cleaner, more controlled way to experience the effects. Plus, the variety we have today is so much more expansive than many people realize. Let's start with edibles. But I don't mean the old school, eat a brownie someone gave you and pray type of thing. Nowadays, we have precisely dosed and lab-tested edibles, like gummies, chocolate bars, mints, pretzels, caramels, cookies, products that feel much more like normal snacks. And the biggest upgrade, at least in my opinion, is the consistency. You're not guessing anymore. You know exactly how much THC you're taking in, piece by piece. Then there's infused beverages, which have become a whole category on their own in recent years. Seltzers, sodas, teas, lemonades, coffees, juices, even mocktails. THC drinks today look and feel like something you would already be drinking socially. Some options are low dose and sessionable, while others are much higher dose but more intentional. But they all share the same idea: cannabis without smoke, built for everyday life. Beyond that, the options get even more unique. Things like tinctures that you place under your tongue, cooking oils that you'd be using in the kitchen, infused honey sticks. There's even seasonings that allow you to infuse THC into a much wider scope of foods. The bigger picture is this: cannabis is no longer either smoke it or eat a brownie. It's become this full menu of options that let you choose how you want to fit it into your life without having to inhale anything at all. And for a lot of people, that's what makes right now the best time to explore THC products.